We believe that every successful organization must fulfill its duty to its host communities at the organizational level and at the people level. The people of Seamless HR understand this, and this has led to the creation of the Ubuntu Challenge. The Ubuntu Challenge is an employee-focused CSR initiative rooted in our values to impact our society. We're about making tangible and lasting difference.
When I reflect on my journey into tech, I often think about how different my life would have been if someone inspired me to take like the first step earlier than I did. So being a self-taught software developer, I understand the power of guidance and mentorship. And for the Ubuntu Challenge, our team visited Bolade Grammar School, Oshodi, to talk to them about career generally. And standing before a room full of eager students, I shared my story.
In our community, street sweepers are the unsung heroes. Day in, day out, they ensure that our streets are clean and safe. But so often, their hard work goes unnoticed. So as a team, we dedicated our efforts to giving back to them meaningfully. We've seen people share how challenging it can be to access basic essentials. So we focused on putting together care packages, but more than just items, we wanted them to feel appreciated and seen.
When we got the announcement to carry out our Ubuntu project, we were excited because we all saw it as an opportunity to give back to the community. We decided to partner with the Lagos Food Bank to feed 200 school children. And we chose to do this because we know how the economy is, and a lot of school children actually go to school without food. So we decided to put a smile on the faces of these children.
Ubuntu, Ubuntu will never die.
When I got the email about the Ubuntu Challenge, I was happy because for me, this was an opportunity to contribute, not just as a person, but as a team. My team went to Living Fountain Orphanage to give things to these children. And I saw the power of collaboration to put our minds and our finances together to be able to get bags of rice, crates of egg, fruits, and just different things we could put together to give to these children.
The thing is, Seamstars are very, very busy people. So by the time we eventually got everybody together, we had to make sure that we could cover a lot of things in the first meeting. So we took a vote. We had different options for the project that we were going to do, but we eventually took a vote and majority voted for a food drive. We didn't want it to be just the regular food drive where people would come around and get some food stuff. We wanted the impact to be close to the vicinity of the Seamless HR HQ, right? So we decided that we're going to go with sharing food stuff to security personnel of organizations that were around us.
The Ubuntu Challenge wasn't just another event for me. It was an opportunity to spark inspiration. What truly moved me was a reaction from the students. Some of them approached me afterwards, so excited actually to share their interests and aspirations. The whole Ubuntu Challenge kind of reminded me of an initiative I started in 2021, which is to actually help people break into tech. I feel like after that particular challenge, I kind of have this spark again to start, and I feel like I'm just going to continue doing that going forward.
And even though this started as very simple, very maybe we're not going to make that much impact, but let's get this done, the reception we got from the beneficiaries made it a very fulfilling project. I mean, this was around the time where prices of foodstuff started getting expensive, and you could tell that a lot of people couldn't afford to get the things that they typically would have gotten. So imagine getting a package that had foodstuff that could cover you and your family for like a week. The thanks that we got, the smiles on the faces of the beneficiaries made it so fulfilling.
It is an experience that I will always look back at and smile, because seeing the smile on the children's faces brought joy to our hearts, and we are glad that we could make an impact on those children.
This experience reminded me of our power as a collective and how we can make a difference through collaboration. It has also reaffirmed my pride in working for a company that values giving back and encourages employees to lead these initiatives.
This is not charity, this is our shared responsibility. It's Ubuntu in action, and through the Ubuntu Challenge, we are creating change, not as benefactors, but as partners.
Beyond being a Seamstar and beyond the work that we do here at Seamless HR, our core values, precisely Ubuntu, really helps me to express my humanity and be in touch with my humanity and stretch a hand of help to those around me who might not be as privileged as I am, and I'm grateful for that opportunity.
I'm grateful for the opportunity to do good as a Seamstar in Seamless HR.
In future, we'd love to expand this initiative through partnerships with more schools, NGOs, and government agencies. We believe there's so much that we can contribute to our host communities, and the people of Seamless HR, our Seamstars, are certainly up for the challenge.